925 Mike Hotel, 25 left, Tango 2, ready for departure.
925 Mike Hotel, Daytona Tower, runway 25 left at Tango 2, fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, 1260 at 11, gust 15.
25 left, clear for takeoff, maintain runway heading, 925 Mike Hotel.
Sure. Right. Or left.
Daytona Tower, Epic Air.
Our flaps, make sure lights are on. Heading set, 250 set.
Epic Air 551 Daytona Tower, report your circle.
Report our circle, Epic Air 551.
Airspeed to the left. D5, rotate.
Riddle 440, descent approved. Riddle 440, descent approved. Hotel, fly heading 210, contact departure.
210 departure, 925 Mike Hotel. I don't want to call it unless it's for sure, okay? So I'm not ready. Departure Skyhawk 925 Mike Hotel, passing 700 on the 210 heading.
We're 925 Mike Hotel, Daytona departure, right in. 925 Mike Hotel, radar contact 1 mile west of Daytona Beach Airport, say all your approach requests.
Request 3 back-to-back ILS purchase.
112 Papa Zulu.
Yeah,
112 Papa Zulu, squawk 0104.
Make sure flaps, make sure lights.
112 Papa Zulu.
Number 925 Mike Hotel, flighting 160, vector to final.
160, 925 Mike Hotel.
Number 925 Mike Hotel, upon completion of this approach, fly runway heading, climb and maintain 2000, return to my frequency.
Runway heading 2000, back to you, 925 Mike Hotel.
Alright, flap ready to go.
Number 925 Mike Hotel, turn left heading 070.
070,
November
Mike Hotel.
241 Whiskey Bravo, Spruce Creek Airport is 2 o'clock in 4.
I can tell that you were raised on six-pack.
At 2 o'clock,
You're doing 10 times better than you were with the
I
class.
stepped on you at the end, say again, November 1 Whiskey Bravo.
Looking no joy for the airport, looking at 2 o'clock.
Alright, while you're flying, I want to brief it.
Oh, hold on.
Okay, level off real quick.
Spruce Creek Airport 1 now, 1 to 2 o'clock in 2.5 hours.
230. Yep.
Roger.
230 is a misapproach. 1600 to Diac, and then, right? Yep. Diac at 1600 is 2 plus subtract 2. Yeah. Good, I just find it easier to look right there. That is easier.
November 1 Whiskey Bravo, turn an additional 10 degrees left.
24 Whiskey Bravo, 10 degrees to the left. Thank you for your help, ma'am.
November 112 Papa Zulu, contact tower 120.7.
120.7 to Papa Zulu.
Kind of the advantages of having a six-pack is just look right there and tell you. Yeah.
Riddle 495, turn left heading 340.
Advantage of class is you just program it and it does it for you. that is true. That's true. Yeah, I can definitely tell you were raised six-pack nifty though. Okay. Oh yeah? With my Stratux or 4-flight? Stratux. Oh. I don't get this unless I have something like that.
Epic Air 551, fly heading 160.
Fly heading 160, Epic Air 551.
November 925 Mike Hotel, turn left heading 340, descend pilot's discretion, maintain 1,600.
340, send at my discretion, 1,600, 925 Mike Hotel.
Thank you. Number 5 Mike Hotel, did I give you an approach clearance?
That's a negative, 5 Mike Hotel.
Number 5 Mike Hotel, 2 miles from Diac, clear for the ILS 25 right.
Clear ILS 25 right, 5 Mike Hotel.
5 Mike Hotel, contact tower 120.7.
Contact tower, 5 Mike Hotel. Tower Skyhawk 925 Mike Hotel, ILS 25.
Skyhawk 925 Mike Hotel, Daytona Tower, runway 25 right, clear land.
We got multiple.
And tower, 5 Mike Hotel, we're trying to do multiple approaches.
Roger, are you doing ILS next? All I'm showing you is that you're just full stopping.
We're trying to do 2 more ILSs after this one, so if we can go missed.
Roger, did you let approach know?
On the way out, we let them know for 5 Mike Hotel.
Roger, stand by.
Stand by.
Alright, glide slope's almost captured. And we're almost, yep. Kayak.
There, 5 Mike Hotel, runway 25 right, clear for low approach, obstaculation option, fly runway heading, climb, maintain, 2000.
Alright, clear low approach, 25 right, maintain runway heading, and up to 2000 after the mist. And that was Mike.
Central aircraft information, Quebec is current at Daytona altimeter 2987, wind 250 at 16. November 2 Foxtrot Alpha, runway 25 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 25 left, Alpha.
Slightly low, slightly left. Ready to go? 100 Bob. On vocalizer, on glide slope.
Aero 4071.
Yeah, hit the middle, going around. Okay, 516, so flaps up.
Air 5 Mike Hotel, turn left heading 210 on conduct departure.
210, contact departure, 95 Mike Hotel.
Air 5 Mike Hotel departure is 125.35.
2535, Mike Hotel. Contact R120.7, route 404. Departure Skyhawk 925 Mike Hotel, passing 1,200 on 210 heading.
925 Mike Hotel, that's on the departure, I didn't say altitude leaving.
We're passing 1,200 for 2,000.
925 Mike Hotel, roger, this will be vectors for the ILS 25 right, climb on instructions remain the same.
Climb on structure remain the same, 25 Mike Hotel.
5 Mike Hotel, I did when we can. Mike Hotel, we're at contact, flight heading 160.
160, 5 Mike Hotel.
Was that your first ILS that you just completed, 5 Mike Hotel?
It's affirmative, the first one, and we got this one and one more, 5 Mike Hotel.
Oh, you just want one more at 5 Mike Hotel?
Negative, we want 2 more after that, so this one and then the following one. So the following will be a full stop, Mike Hotel.
I just want to double check, we were changing controllers here.
Roger.
Flying this is actually really not that hard. I did a circle, and then I glanced over here real quick, and did another circle. Just that's the entire time I was doing that. Yeah, there's a couple different methods. You got the hub and spoke, the circle, and you got the inverted V. Alright, so the inverted V is like when you go into a turn, you go here, here, back, and then you just keep going back, and then once you're established...
Left heading 070.
070, 925 Mike Hotel.
I know the methods that you're talking about. Yeah. I should have said I was doing a hub and spoke instead of a circle.
Alright. Oh yeah, circle's fine too. If you're in like actual, you want to do like the hub and spoke.
Yeah. Then after I did like those over there, I quickly glanced on this and then back. It's really not that hard.
Yeah, and then your fuel and engine gauge is all right here.
Yeah.
Of course, this is your annunciator, so. Okay, there we go.
Nicely trimmed. What if I did this? Oh,
it's called neutral stability.
I don't know if it was neutral. Because you look over real quick. I'm gonna bounce it. It looks like it's continuous. Oh.
Yeah, see, neutral
Never mind.
stability, yeah.
Rippy would be proud. It should not take 45 minutes to do this and another ILS. No. Amy was pretty pissed that we went over last time. Granted, we only went over like 10 minutes, but whatever. You gave us the airplane an hour late. That's what I said. That's what I said. I try steering clear of all sorority girls. Oh yeah, fucking psycho.
Traffic Air 533, it's on approach to maintain 3000.
Traffic Air 533, let's try to maintain 3000.
You avoid sorority girls like I avoid basketball players? Yeah. One thing is, when you're on a six-pack like this, like you do one checklist item, you'll fly the airplane. To the other, back to flying the airplane. So you take your time doing everything with a six-pack. Yeah. It's not like a G1000 where you do it all at once.
Mike Hotel, turn left heading 340.
340, 5
Mike Hotel, 3.5 miles from Diac, maintain 1,600 until established. Clear for the ILS from 25 right approach.
1,600 until established, clear ILS. 25, 95 Mike Hotel.
5 Mike Hotel, contact tower.
Over tower, 5 Mike Hotel.
For one Lima Foxtrot, Snyder 42 Foxtrot Alpha.
I had a feeling you forgot about us.
Base 25 left, touch and go. The 2 Fox Alpha, 25 left, cliff the option. Cliff the option, 25 left, 2 Fox Alpha.
Okay, we'll look like we're live.
70, number 2 traffic in the down, about to turn base, runway 25 left, cliff the option.
Rotor 407, number 2, clear for the option, 25 left. Rotor 407.
6 Victor, turn left, heading at 210, contact departure. 6 Victor, left, 210, contact departure. Blue Streak, 5545, right turn there, and a short right turn on November, left at Charlie 1 into the ramp, we'll see you guys.
Right turn here, November, Charlie 1 in the ramp, see you, Blue Streak, 5545.
Tower Skyhawk 925, Mike Hotel, ILS 25.
There's 662 Alpha, 662 Alpha Daytona, contact departure 2535. 925 Mike Hotel, Daytona Tower, continue for 25 right.